Right now, podcast videos are everywhere. Just look at channels like Lex Fridman or Huberman Lab, racking up millions of views per episode. Even Mr. Beast jumped in with his Beast podcast experiment. The demand is insane, but here's the kicker. You don't need a studio, a camera, or even your face to create content that looks this good. Just a killer idea, and tech that does the heavy lifting. Think it's impossible? Wait till you see what AI can do. Let's dive in. Okay, let's create a thought-provoking video podcast using AI. To do that, I will use an amazing AI avatar video generator called VisionStory AI. With this AI video generator, you can create talking videos, turn your script into stunning videos, and even live stream with consistent characters. Most importantly, it can express emotion. I'll put the link in the description. Just head over there and click on Get Started Free. Once you're on this page, click here and create an account. Okay, this is the AI avatar video generator interface. Here on the left side, you'll find all the features. In the AI video tab, you can create an AI avatar video. With AI Livestream, you can go live with your character. And then we have the video podcast feature. Today, I'll use this feature. Okay, this is the video podcast generator interface. First, we have to enter the audio version of the podcast. You can upload an audio clip or enter a previous podcast link here to recreate the podcast. I'll discuss both methods. First, let's start with an audio clip. Now the question is, how can you create a podcast audio clip? It's so simple. To generate an audio version of the podcast, we will use a free tool called Google Notebook LM. Once you have logged into Notebook LM, click on Create New. A pop-up will appear. Here, you must enter the source material. You can upload a text document, enter a link, or paste text directly. For example, if I want to generate a podcast about NASA, I could use the NASA Wikipedia page. I would copy the Wikipedia link and paste it as the source. After entering the link, press Enter. Notebook LM will analyze the link and generate the content. Once complete, the content will be ready. To generate the audio podcast, click the Audio Generation button. This process may take a moment. Once the audio is ready, you can preview it.
Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're aiming for the stars as we delve into the National Aeronautics and Space Administration.
If you're unsatisfied with the voice, you can easily switch to a different voice actor. Download the audio file. Okay, once the voiceover is ready, upload it to VisionStory. After uploading, you can adjust the duration. Next, we have to set the background scene and the speakers. You'll get 3 default scenes here. If you want to use a custom theme, you can upload it from here. I'll go with this preset scene. Next, we have to set up 2 speakers from here. You can use the default options or upload your own. I'll upload these images. After uploading the images, select them. Once the scene and speakers are selected, click on Generate Storyboard from here. Here you can see our storyboard is generating. It will take some time, so I'm fast-forwarding this part. Okay, our storyboard is ready. Now, for preview and further customization, open the storyboard. Okay, this is our storyboard. Here you can see the preview, and under that we have the timeline. First, the visual or speaker timeline, then we have the audio timeline for both speakers. Now, preview the video and adjust anything if needed.
Space Administration.
Doesn't it? There's mention of a growing fascination with...
In my case, the video is perfect. However, if you face any issues, you can solve them. For example, imagine the AI can't recognize the speaker and chooses the wrong speaker and voiceover. You can simply swap the speaker positions from here. And if you find the wrong speaker in any particular scene, just click on the scene, and you'll find all the scene shots here on the left side. You can pick the right one from here, or use the 2-shot scene as well. Now let's talk about another exciting feature. You can change the voice and regenerate the voiceover. To do that, go to the Voice tab here. You'll find both speakers. Under each speaker, you'll find options to change the voice. Once you click on it, you'll find a vast number of voice actors. You can set filters and find the best one. First, the language, then gender, age, and use case. Now listen to some of them and choose the perfect one. You can even clone your own voice from here. To clone any voice, click here. Once this pop-up appears, set a name for your voice. After that, set the voice language. Now, you have to upload a voice clip or record the voice. I'm uploading a voiceover clip. Once done, hit the Clone Now button. Now, to find the cloned voice, go to the Cloned Voice tab. You'll find the voice there. Just select the voice and close the window. Now, in the same method, you can change the second speaker's voice. Okay, once everything is set, hit the Generate Video button. It will take some time to render the video. In the meantime, let's take a look at another very interesting feature of VisionStory called AI Livestream. Go to the AI Livestream tool from here. Now we have to select a character from here. You can upload a character or generate a new one too. I'll upload this virtual influencer image. Okay, after selecting the character, we have to set a name for the live stream. Then, we have to set the character's persona. For example, I'm entering details about a skincare expert. Next, we have to enter the live stream topic. For example, I'm typing, "How to glow skin naturally." Finally, we have to choose a voice actor. Once everything is set, hit the Start Live button from here. And here it is. Our live stream has started. Now you can ask questions, and the avatar will analyze the question and give a live reply.
Hi there, welcome to my live stream. Today, we're going to talk about how to achieve that natural glow for our skin. Are you ready to learn some tips and tricks? Let me know in the comments. Great to have you here. Any questions so far? All right, here are some tips. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, get enough sleep, and use gentle skincare products. Also, don't forget to protect your skin from the sun and manage stress.
You can share the live stream with anyone. At this moment, you can go live with only one VisionStory live room. However, very soon, you'll be able to stream live on YouTube and TikTok using VisionStory. It will be a very interesting way to connect with the audience for any virtual influencer. So, don't forget to try this feature. Okay, our podcast video is ready. Let's take a look. Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're aiming for the stars as we delve into the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. You provided us with a really comprehensive look at this pivotal agency, and our mission is to unpack just what makes it so crucial to both space exploration and, the science of flight, and getting a sense of the sheer scale of its operation.
Yeah, it's a huge topic.
It really is. Think of this as your fast track to understanding the essential story of NASA, with a few surprising insights. This is absolutely amazing. So, now you can create this kind of high-quality podcast video using VisionStory AI. If you want to recreate a podcast video from your YouTube or TikTok page, simply copy the URL and go to the VisionStory Video Podcast tab. Now, paste the link here in this box and click on the Get button. Next, you can adjust the audio length. Then, set the scene and speakers and hit the Generate Storyboard button. And here it is. The storyboard is ready. Now, preview the video and customize it if needed. Once everything is set, export the video. It's that simple.
Welcome back to Space Chronicles, the podcast where we unravel the mysteries of the universe and share humanity's greatest adventures beyond Earth. I'm Sarah Jenkins.
And I'm Mark Reynolds. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of NASA, the agency that turned science fiction into...
So, now you can create a brand new podcast or clone any podcast video using VisionStory AI. In conclusion, VisionStory AI is a revolutionary tool for creating AI avatars and podcast videos. So, don't forget to give this tool a try. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, I'd love to hear about your experience creating a podcast using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.